Hey guys, it's raining and boo-hoo, right? No, not boo-hoo. We're out here. Fucking rain can't stop us. P-Rail session in the rain.
Get my money next Friday. Now next Friday I come out in there.
Yo, what do you gotta say about this sign over here? Oh, say word? I can't do this? Oh, looks like a rollerbladed. So, a couple sweaty messes, but we didn't let the rain stop us.
Not a chance.
So
not today, Mother Nature.
Not today. So, just want to take the moment while we're a sweat bucket to talk to you guys and say, so, thank you, and much love and appreciation for all the love, and stay tuned for lots more. We were hoping to do a really good session today, and we kind of got rained out, apparently.
Yeah.
So,
we got what we could though, so we're really hoping what little we got you enjoyed. More, just a rinky-dink practice sesh, but that's fun.
So go ahead and give my boy Rick, if you're not already subscribed to him, check out. He's much better than me. And yeah.
Give him a check out, give him a sub, a like, comment on his videos, give him some views. He's got some fun rollerblading, and this is what we do.
Lots more to come.
Peace.
All right, guys, enjoy.